this is Minsha Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you what is inside my Micheal Kors bag, and also I'm going to give you tips on how you can completely organize your bag so that when you need something you actually know where it is. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and watch the video. Oh, wait. So I want to thank you all that we have crossed 3,000 subscribers on my channel, and if you are not subscribed yet, go and press the subscribe button and also hit a like on this video. That really supports my channel and I would love to have you with me. So recently I bought this beautiful bright red Micheal Kors bag from my Dubai trip, and I wanted to properly organize it because it is my everyday office use bag, so I need it almost every day. So let's start with just emptying the entire bag. Yeah. So as you guys can see, there are these 3 compartments and I have these 2 small pockets. So I will show you a way to properly utilize all the space in your bag and also to organize everything that you need in your daily life. So let us start with the diary and a pen. So I need to keep a diary as well as a pen with me every day because of my office work. So here is my cute little diary and the pen that I am just going to put in one of the side corners of the bag. The next thing are these wet tissues. This is a must-have in my bag and these are so useful during the summers as well as in the winters. So I always keep them with me. Now, to organize all the small things which usually get lost, I have kept this small sturdy container in my bag, and in this I have my medicine. Yes, so we all girls know what this is for. I cannot leave the house without this. Then we need some headphones to avoid some people on our everyday life. So I usually keep my headphones in this container. And then a nail filer. So this can be used for filing your nails or to just, if you are living in Delhi, you need this. So this is my small container which has all the necessary stuff which usually gets lost in the bag. So this just goes neatly into the bag. Now next comes the keys as well as my Ray-Bans. So I like to keep them properly secured in the cover. And I try to keep these in the pocket, the small pocket that we have in the bag, so that nothing falls off. The zip is off and here goes my Ray-Bans. Then comes the makeup. So there was a time when I used to have all my loose powders and lipsticks spread in the entire bag and it totally ruined my bag. So now I have a small kit in which I keep my Maybelline Fit Me powder, my brush, my concealer, lipstick, a chapstick. This is a Clinique chapstick. It is really good one, and you always need to keep a perfume with yourself. So my small compact makeup kit has all the necessary stuff that I need in my everyday life, and this will go into the second compartment of my bag. You also need a comb. So this also goes in the zip so that it does not fall off and I know where it is when I need it. Now I'm someone who washes her hands really frequently and they tend to get dry. So I always keep a cute little good smelling hand cream with me. This is my peach hand cream and I got it from a Korean store, and this smells really nice. It smells of peaches and it is just so beautiful. So I always like to keep this cute little peach with me in the bag. Next, you will be surprised, but I always carry my coffees and my green teas as well as my cookies with me, because you never know when you get hungry. So I have this huge bunch of nuts and cookies and coffees which I like to keep in one of the pockets of the bag, so that whenever I'm hungry or I want to have my type of coffee, I know it is simply in my bag. Next, I also carry this small, really compact card holder which has all my business cards as well as the very important Metro card, because if you forget this, you have a bad day. So these are all my business cards and I keep them in this card holder, and this goes in one of the side pockets of my bag. Last but not the least, a toothbrush. So I cannot afford to not have a toothbrush whenever I'm staying somewhere at my friend's or my cousin's place. So I always carry an extra toothbrush in my bag. This goes in the zipper as well. And in the end, I have this really cute nude colored compact wallet which carries all my money, which I don't have any yet, and all my ATM cards and everything that I need. It also has all the important bills which are needed, and the zip is off, and this goes into the last and final compartment of my bag. Now that is how I organize my entire bag. I know where my makeup is, where my hand cream is, where my coffee is, and I am all ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and do let me know in the comments down below if you love watching these organizing videos, because I have a lot in store for you all. And until then, I'll see you next time.